Good day everyone, mabuhay. I am Angel Miti Andres together with my cousin Denise Amares. So today we are going to talk about Rizal life. So are you ready?
Yes.
So first question, who is Jose Rizal?
For me, Rizal is our national hero. He wrote the two big novels, which is the Noel Me Panghere and El Filibusterismo. Then, sila Rizal is 11 sila ka mag-igsoon. Then, siya ang ika-7. Then, duha na sila kama.
Second question is, why Jose Rizal put to death?
Ang mga Spanish rulers kay nakita nila si Rizal as threat because ang iya daw mga book kay the spark siya call for change. Then i-arrest nila for rebellion, then shoot him by the Spanish rulers in Manila.
Third question is, the last actually, why he is our national hero?
Jose Rizal is our national hero because his word and smart push for forming and education. Hindi sa mga violence niya ginagamit ang iyang mga words. Then, sa iyang pagkamatay, nangit ang mga Pilipino to more unite bitaw o fight harder para na sila freedom na sa